Alright, what's up you guys? So for our first lesson, we're going to learn about C programming. C programming is basically a C language that is structured and disciplined approach to computer program design. And for our first example, we're going to do a simple C program. We're just going to print a line of text, so let's get started. So the compiler I have, so basically a compiler is the program that reads zeros and ones, because everything in your computer is stored as zeros and ones, and basically it just reads everything for you, but it makes it easier. So let's get started. So by default, when I create a new project, this pops out, this whole line of text, but as we move on to more advanced stuff, it'll get more complicated, but this is just a basic way and simple way to see how C programming works. And this it's this print this program is gonna print out hello world exclamation point. And okay, let me just talk to you guys about it step by step and see how it works. So in our first line, we have hashtag include stdio.h. This basically is read by the C preprocessor, and it tells you which functions are available and are already written. Basically, it's like a library of info, and it's basically like a book. So for this simile, for example, we use it as a simile for this book. We have all the standard input and output functions, and it just has like int main, printf, it has all the standard functions. But then if we have like hashtag include math.h, this has some math functions that we could use, like if we want to do calculations like x to the power of something else, then we use this to make our life easier. But right now we don't need that, so let's just go back. So this stands for standard input and output header. And we will explain the contents of headers right now. Or not right now, soon. But every C function basically has this int main parentheses, and this basically is called a function. C programs contain one or more functions, and one of them must be main. So we have the left brace right here, which basically starts the program, and we have the end brace right here. So basically this whole thing right here is a block of it's a block to this in main parentheses, and let's see how it works. So each line that you type is basically a statement, this whole thing right here, and statements are always ended with semicolons, as we see right here, and that basically just tells this to move on to the next line. So we have the print function right here, or print formatted, and what this does is it prints the strings, and strings are held within these parentheses. So it's only gonna print these characters right here. On the next line, we have return 0. Return 0 basically tells us or indicates that the program has ended successfully. So when we build and run this, let's just see how it works so you guys can check it out. So yeah, this whole thing is basically the main, and then we have printf in the first line, hello world, and it prints this, and we have a return of 0, and that basically means that the program was successful, and we can press any key to continue, and there were no errors. There's also other ways to print hello world, and I'll show you guys another example. So we can do multiple printfs, then world, or let's do hello, my name is, then semicolon. So let's build and run this and see how it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's like connected together. That's because it doesn't print out like line by line. We had to put something else in order to make it move onto the next line on the prompt. So let me X this out. So if you guys want to do like multiple lines, we do \n, and this isn't shown on the prompt. It's a escape sequence, and then there's multiple sequence. There's like \t, which is a horizontal tab, \a, which is an alert, and yeah. So \n, and then let's build and run. So as you guys can see, it moved down, and now they're on two separate lines. And we can keep doing this. Print f. Let's just say something random. Yeah. We can do this. And let's build and run. Oh, see, I forgot the hashtag, the semicolon, so it gave me an error right here. So let's just put a semicolon, and then build and run. So this is one way to print it out, but if you guys want to make it more cleaner or more clean, we can just basically move all of this. Just copy. So basically we can move this in here. Then we can delete these because these are unnecessary. They don't have any strings in them. So the \n creates a new line, hello my name is, and it just moves it down here. And then \n creates a new line. Let's build and run to see that's the same thing as previously before. And there you go. So that basically concludes our intro to C programming for now. But you guys can check out my next video. It's another simple C programming, but I'm gonna be adding 2 integers. So yeah, if you guys want more info, check it out.